That store has been in business now for 25 years. We service and install overhead doors and all the corresponding equipment, dock levelers, truck shelters. We, like I say, mostly service, but we do new installations as well. We've been dealing with Maplenet for probably about 5 years now. Before Maplenet, we were experiencing a lot of problems, mostly very antiquated units. We didn't have the right programs for our needs. The company that we were dealing with had not given us the correct programs that were best for us. So we were actually struggling to be computerized. We found that we were actually more productive when we were manual, which is not the way it's supposed to be when you go computerized. Well, Irfan came in and looked over our whole system. First thing was he upgraded all our desktops and put us on the right kind of program and the operating system and the right kind of programs for what our requirements were. Then once we had done that, he upgraded even more so that we had a central server and got everybody that was connected with each other. When we first went computerized, we didn't have any internet, and then when we first got the internet, it was dial-up. Thank goodness for Maplenet Solutions has now put us with satellite and came in and did all the cabling for us, set up the whole system, and we've been extremely happy with it. Yes, one of our concerns was with being computerized that all our information, if the computers were to crash, the information obviously is very important. I mean, there are still hard copies of a lot of the stuff, but there's a lot of information that isn't in the filing cabinets. And Irfan set us up with different systems for that and explained to us that we should have one on-site, one off-site, so that, if something happened to the building, for example, that we would still have, something to fall back on, so which we hadn't thought of. So that was very helpful. Yes, I would definitely recommend Maplenet. The service has been excellent. The response time is excellent. Anytime there have been minor problems, the response time it's been fixed in a very good amount of time. And anytime there's been anything major that we need immediate action, Irfan has always been here on the same day and fixed us up, and we've always been very pleased with that. So absolutely, I would recommend it.